on, man, stay with me. Stay with me. Oh, man. Come on, man, breathe, man, come on. No, don't close your eyes, breathe. Oh, man. Oh crap, my brother got shot. Call a doctor who popped ya so I could break him off something proper. Was it a thug, a little child, or a copper? I'm mad like Chewbacca, I'ma find out who shot ya. Growing up, you was my ace and my only pal. Can't nobody replace you, so don't die on me now. Daddy left, a father figure was them bigger niggas. Doing crime in the street with liquor, drinking weighted liver. Doing negative deeds, planting ungodly seeds. Made an innocent bleed, ignoring our daily need. It seems sometimes, wondering if I'm gonna make it release a crime. I see a chance, I gotta take it, the stakes is high. Wipe the tear from my eye. Is my little brother gon' live or die? A fearless cry. Yo, J-Love, call my mama. I'm about to grab the heater and cause a lot of drama.